Hey guys, it's Abhay here. Welcome to Coders Project. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how do you create your Fibonacci series using C++. So before I start, for those who don't know what do I mean by Fibonacci series, so basically it's just the a series in which the next term, the next number in the series is going to be the sum of two preceding terms. So for example, Fibonacci series starts from 0, so 0 and then 1. So the sum of this is going to be the next term, which is 1, and then the next term is going to be sum of the two preceding terms, which is going to be 2, and so on. Let's get started. So now we're going to be including the header file, include iostream, and now we're going to be using the namespace std. Now we're going to be initializing the main function. So I'm going to specify four variables over here. So the first variable is going to be integer. Let me take it as x. So in this integer x, we're going to be taking the input, on the number of terms, and now I'm going to be specifying variable y and z for the first and second term. So since Fibonacci series starts from 0, our first term is going to be 0, and integer z is going to be 1. Now I'm going to be specifying another variable. I'll take it as variable a, integer a. I'll specify it as 0 for now. I'll tell you why I took it as 0 later. So basically in integer a, we're going to be storing the value of the two preceding terms later on. Now we're going now let me add a print statement before I take the input from the user. So enter the number of terms. Enter the number of terms. And now let me take the input cn, and then x is for input. So how many the number which is specified by the user, for example 10, is going to be the number of terms in the series. And now let me add another print statement. Okay, now let me start with the for statement. For loop, and the conditions are going to be integer. Let me take it as I is going to be 1, and the conditions are if I is going to be lesser than or equal to the number of terms, which is x. If I is lesser than or equal to the number of terms, we're going to be using the increment operator over here. And now we're going to be printing the values of first two terms. So I'll take a if statement over here. If I is equal to 1, then I'm going to be printing the integer y, which is 0. Let me add a slash in over here. Similarly for the second term, if I is equal to 2, cout, and then z, the second term is going to be 1. Now we are going to be using the integer a to store the values of the sum of preceding two terms. So for that, we're going to be using we're going to be declaring a to be equal to y plus z, a to be equal to y plus z, and then we're going to be equalizing the integer y and z. So y is going to be equal to z over here, and now we're going to be specifying z to be equal to a so that it adds on. So z is going to be equal to a over here. Now let's print it. We're going to be printing a, which is the number of terms. Well, sorry, I mean it's going to be the sum of two preceding terms according to our code over here. And I'm going to add a comma over here to separate the number of terms. So I guess we are set. Let me just add a return statement over there. Let's just check it out. Yeah, we are all set. Let me just build it and run. Okay, so enter the number of terms. Let me take it as 10. Yeah, we got the series over here, but there was a small error. Let me just correct it. Yeah, we're not supposed to specify slash n over there because it's all in a series, and just keep it as a comma. Similarly over here. Yeah, let me rerun it. Okay, enter the number of terms, 10. Yeah, we get the Fibonacci series of the first 10 terms, which is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on. Let me take a higher number this time. Let me specify it as 100. Yeah, we still got the Fibonacci series. So this is how you create your Fibonacci series using C++. I hope you like the video. Do subscribe my channel, like my videos. If you need any video in a specific video or any topic, just place a comment and it will be done in a matter of time. So thank you guys for watching my video. See you soon.